Chapter 10, Section 5, Making Decisions and Predictions. The objective of this lesson is to learn to use probability to make decisions and predictions. Example 1. The table shows the satisfaction rating in a business's survey of 500 customers. Of their 240,000 customers, how many should the business expect to be unsatisfied? Now, this table, again, they only surveyed 500 of their customers. They actually have 240,000 customers. Now, we're going to find the probability of unsatisfied customers in the survey just from this table. The probability of unsatisfied customers is the number of customers unsatisfied in the survey set over the total number of customers in the survey. So please write that ratio right here. Unsatisfied to total number of customers in the survey. Now, based on this probability, we're going to use that to calculate how many customers the business should expect to be unsatisfied out of a total of 240,000 customers. So we're going to set up a proportion. We're going to take this ratio from up here, set it over here. We're going to take 240 customers, that's a total, and we're going to put that down here in the denominator. We know 3 out of the 4, so we will cross multiply and divide. The business should expect to have, write down your answer right here, unsatisfied customers. In example 2, we're going to decide if a game is fair. In a game, 2 players flip a coin. Player A wins if exactly one of the 2 coins is heads. Otherwise, player B wins. We're going to determine whether this game is fair or not. First, we're going to list all possible outcomes. If we have 2 coins, we could have an outcome of heads, heads, or tails, heads, or tails, tails, or tails, heads. These are all the possible outcomes of flipping 2 coins. We're going to find the theoretical probability of each player winning. Player A, what's the probability of them winning? Again, player A wins if exactly 1 coin is heads. So up here, out of the 4 possibilities, how many are only 1 heads occurring? We'll write that probability here. Player B wins. Write their probability over here. As you can see, each player has a probability of 50% or 1/2 of winning the game. So the game is fair.